You've probably heard that AI can help you buy or sell a home, and honestly, you're right, it can. In fact, we've been using digital technology to transform real estate for 15 years, long before AI was a buzzword. We don't fear it, we use it every single day. But AI can't negotiate a contract on your behalf. It can't read the room when an offer turns emotional. It doesn't know the micro-market 2 streets over. And more importantly, it can't protect you when the deal gets complicated. What's the most powerful combination in real estate right now? AI efficiency and human expertise. That's exactly what MyDigitalListing delivers. Over $200 million sold, hundreds of thousands saved, 0 cold calls. There is no better digital track record than that. Could you try to navigate this alone with AI? Sure, but when you're making the biggest financial decision of your life, do you really want to figure it out as you go? Work with the team that has a PhD in results and knows exactly how to put AI to work for you. Call 864-735-1111 or visit mydigitallisting.com.